Alright guys, I'm getting ready to install a water pump, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the Subaru OEM water pump and an aftermarket pump, which I prefer. This is the Subaru one, made in Japan. It's actually pretty good quality. It's for an STI. It's got multiple ports so it can run the oil cooler. And this is a Nissan water pump, or NPW, Nissan Pump, made in Japan. And this one's actually got a couple miles on it, but just wanted to show you the difference between them. See, this has a nice cast impeller, which is going to be more efficient than this one. This is a stamped impeller. Although they both work, this one's going to work better, and that's why I'm going with this one. So anyway, just wanted to show you. So here's the box. Nissan Pump Manufacturing. There's the part number. 21111 AA. Made in Japan. Just so you know, this is the better pump to run.